So I'm using medium worsted yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. I'll start with a slip knot and chain 2. This pattern needs a little patience and focus so you can work it right. So I'll make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet 5 times. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Chain 1 again and join into the first or initial chain. Now we're gonna work in all the chain 1 spaces. So you have to find the chain 1 space. So chain 1, this is the first chain 1 space, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet, all in the space. Then again chain 1 and repeat, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and repeat till the end. I should have 10 single crochet with 10 spaces. Chain 1, so and this is where I started. So this is the last 2 single crochet over here, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 and join to the first chain, and this is how it looks so far. Now the next round will not be an increase, it will be a normal single crochet with chain 1 like the moss stitch. So chain 1 in the first space, single crochet, chain 1 in the next space, single crochet, chain 1. I should have 10 single crochet at the end again. So in every space 1 single crochet only. And join onto the beginning. This is how it looks. Now the next round will be an increase again. So what we'll do is chain 1, single crochet, 2 moss stitch single crochet, sorry. So when I say single crochet now, that means single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 always. So in the next space I'm gonna do single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. In the next space 1 single crochet with 1 chain 1 only. So again, please check the written pattern so you understand what I'm saying better. Chain 1, so single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, all in 1 space. In the next space 1 single crochet only and chain 1. In the next space single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1. In the next space single crochet, chain 1. In the next space single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, like so. So just the same when we make a normal circle, how we increase in every round to keep it flat. It's just that it is a different pattern only. but the counting is the same. And that's the last one, which is 1 single crochet, chain 1 and join, and this is how it is. So with every round of increase, the next round will be 1 single crochet round only, to keep the circle flat and to keep the pattern right. So you continue the same, and I'll come back and show you how it looks like. And this is how it looks after 20 rounds completed. So perfect round. Just don't worry if it gets the hexagon shape sometime when you do the single crochet round only, then it will take the round again, and as you go along, it'll take the round shape. Also, again, check the written pattern so you can follow properly. So here I'm on row 34, and again this is an increase round, like I explained it in the written pattern. So you continue doing so for as many rounds as you wish. And just to show you how far we've gone. So this is the round, and this is how it looks throughout the work. It's similar to single crochet, but it's a bit prettier because it's 1 by 1. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.